Welcome to the Gonzo book. I am Jose. Shelly's downstairs. And I just got done doing one video. I was washing my RV today and I realized, man, I'm scruffy. So I took a shower, shaved, put some nice clothes on because I got another package from thecubicle.com. Now, I don't know if you guys know that, but I like to collect the mats and specific mats. The ones that the cubicles make specifically, because I love those mats. Other mats are too thin and I don't like them. I get a little disappointed when I get them. And so I was just watching TV and I got a notification. And it says that the Cubicle got 4 new mats in. I was like, yes! Went on, ordered some, and I think I ordered it yesterday morning, early, and I got it today. So it was like, I don't live too far from New York. I'm 2 hours away. From the Cubicle, I'm probably 2.5 hours. And, but it's just a straight shot. I mean, it's not a big deal. But I live near Harrisburg too. And so when stuff comes in, it goes to Harrisburg, Milton, or whatever. And it gets here pretty quick. They don't have to send it the priority mail. Because usually I get it within 2 to 3 days. So that's, for me, that's good. This one came in pretty much with one night. So I got the mats, the new mats that just came in. So I'm going to open it up, see what I got. Make sure I don't poke a hole in the mats. See if I can get it. Yep, easy peasy. Alright, so I got some Calm Lube, FZ Calm 3cc's. The only reason why I got this because I was so near to 60, and I think 60 you get free shipping. So when that happens, I just order stuff like this. Or if it's like just $1, I just order some quick stuff. Just to get over 60, because then you save that $5. So it's, to me, it's worth it. All right, here we go. Hey, let me get the website up. All right, this one's going to be the Cubicle Mini Mats 2026 Prism Solar Flare. Bam! Look at that. That's nice. I really like this one because the logo blends into the colors. So I like that a lot. So it's called, what's it called? The Cubicle Mini Mats 2026 Prism Solar Flare. Look at that good material. Look at that. Very nice. Nice. Smells like rubber. Now you guys are gonna be looking at me like, what? But I got 2, so I can hang one up and then I can use one. Use one for my crafts or whatever, or for a shelf lining. That's what I do. So, but I did get 2 of them. So that's the Solar Flare, and the next one is the Cubicle Mini Mat 2026 Prism Aurora. Bam! It's kind of like the other one, but different colors, and the logo is not blending with the other colors. Maybe because it was too late. Nice. Very nice. I like that. None of their mats kind of like look alike. So I like whoever designs them does a good job. The quality is good. You can bend this up. You can wrinkle it. Do whatever. And it goes right back into shape. That's what I like about this. There's no crinkles. It's still a straight line. Very nice. I like these. I know I keep saying that every time I get a damn mat. But... always get a card, they're new cards, and then a receipt. Here we go, same one, just I got 2 of them. These are only $6.99. To me, that's a really good price. When you look at the other ones, that they sell, or other ones from maybe another site, they're more expensive, and you can tell they're a little flimsy, and I don't like them. Alright, this one is the Cubicle Mini Mat 2026 Sakura. Sakura? I don't know. Sakura, it has to be that. Sakura. Sakura. Look at that one. This one actually has trees, a pond, maybe a lake, a row of trees, and it looks like a road right there. Oops, sorry. Ooh, get the layer. Let me get it out of the plastic. Nice. Let me get it close up. Cool. Nice. And the cubicle is just a nice pink, and it blends into the sky a little bit. Very nice. Very, very nice. And the last one is Cubicle Mini Mat 2026 Abyss. Look at that thing. Nice. I was jonesing for mats. I don't know, I'm a little crazy. But I was jonesing for some mats. And I refuse to get them anywhere else. Unless I can find some cubicle mats on like eBay or whatever, the old ones that they used to sell. If I can get a few of those, I might get those. As long as they're not trying to sell them for $15 or something. They sell them for like $7 and below. I might get them. If it looks like it's in good condition. You might get high on this rubber. Now it doesn't smell like that all the time because it was in that plastic. Oh, that's nice. Look at that blue. And the shades of blue. And I like the white border. That was very nice. Looks like it's 3D a little bit. Yeah, they make good mats. They really do. And these are the perfect size. Perfect size. When I got the Tingman mat, let me just show you real quick. I think Tingman had these made when he was in Australia, when he was with Daily Puzzles, I think it was, but I think they went out of business, I think. I'm not sure. And they have nice mats too, but they're not the same size. I got this one is signed by the Tingman. They're not the same size, so I want to just compare them to about the same length. But you get at least another inch. See that same length? But the width is a little bit longer. See that? So, still a nice mat. Very nice. Yeah, I really like this one. I don't know which one's the best though. That's going to be hard to... but this one definitely is either first or second. I like this one. So I got 2 each, and that's it for my box. And I gotta put that in my lube, FZ-Com 3cc. Put that in my my lube box before I lose it. So that's all I have. That's all I wanted to show you with those mats, and I can place them with my other mats and display them. I got my mats right there displayed. I took one out to use it, so I'm gonna put a couple mats right there. I need to buy another one of those, and then I have my mats right here. And I got, you know, mats on my grates here. Oops, this is the one I took out when I did my force cubes. Because it fits better on this. It's kind of like the same width as this little shelf I got. Like you see that one. It's perfect. Perfect fit. So I got lucky there. So yeah, I got these shelves from Temu. They're a little flimsy, but they're doing the job. You got my see, I got this mat here, This would be perfect if it was this size. I don't need this extra space here. But that's the size they sold, so it's a nice mat, but I wish it was this size. That would have been perfect. I tried to put 2 on the table and it didn't fit, so that's why if it was this size. In case you don't know what that is, it's my +2 board game. Instead of making a board like I did here, my boards, I made it into a mat, so you can use it as a cube mat too, and the game board. Man, I hadn't played that in a while. I had to play that. It's a very extensive game. It's very nice. I made it myself. Of course, I'm a little biased, but I got 2 of these. No, I might have got 4 of them. Yeah, I got 4. Because you could play 4 players if you get 2 decks. So it's called +2. I have a video out on it. So that was it. So I got all my mats. Very nice one right here. Cool. So I'm gonna hang those up and finish my other video that I did when watching my RV. So if you have any questions, comment down below and I'll try to answer them as best I can. This weekend, today is Thursday. Saturday I have a competition. I'm in 3x3 and I'm in 3x3 one-handed, but I hadn't practiced that, so I'm not going to do that. I thought I had enough time to practice, but I don't. So plus I have a time limit too, so I might not even make that time. So I'm ready for that. So can't wait for that because I think I'm going to break my personal time and my best average. So if you have any questions, comment down below. And that's all I have. So without further ado, we'll see you on the other side.
Whatever you do, don't stay in your seat. Get out, experience life. Don't let it fail.